In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Spotify on Instagram with music on. Let's get started. Open up your Spotify app and select a song you want to share. But here's the catch. Sharing directly from Spotify won't play the music on Instagram. Instead, it will just provide a link. So here's what you need to do. Screen record the song for about 30 seconds. Once you've recorded it, head back to Instagram. Add the screen recording to your story, and that's it. Your Instagram story will now have the Spotify song playing in the background along with the cover art. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.